Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch material. First, let's dive into understanding the core properties of sketch materials. We'll cover selecting the right tools for your specific design needs, ensuring you achieve the desired effect. Then, we'll explore applying textures and colors effectively to bring your creations to life. This guide will help you master the fundamentals quickly. Now, let's move on to some advanced techniques that will elevate your designs. We'll explore various blending modes to create complex visual effects and add richness. Mastering layering is crucial for achieving depth and dimension in your artwork. Additionally, you'll learn to effectively utilize masks to refine and control the visibility of your sketch materials, giving you precise control. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, are your creative sessions making you hungry? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Efficiency is key in any creative process, so let's talk about optimizing your workflow. We'll cover organizing your material library for quick and easy access, saving you valuable time. Learn to create custom brushes tailored to your style, significantly speeding up your artistic process. Finally, we'll discuss exporting your finished sketches in various formats for sharing or further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.